Welcome viewers on my YouTube channel. This times we are taking two pages. One of is my right hand and other is my second hand or left hands. Now we are going to check when we mouth air pressures passing between the both papers. The papers are close to each others. When we stop the air pressure by my mouth, this is away from. In this case, what is logic behind? In this video we are going to tell you about this logical phenomena, and if the video is informative, like and subscribe the channel. This is you are watching when we are air pressure is by my mouth is passing between these two papers. These papers heads or ends are the close to each other, seem like these positions. Now you are checking this is Viewers, reasons behind that: when the pressures air is passing through, the pressure inside the pages is decreased. Outside the pages, pressure in that side is increase. That side pressure is decrease. Inside pressure decrease and outside pressure is hairs increase. Due to that is the pressure is increase and decrease. From pressure is higher to lowers. Pressure is flow from a higher to lower position. That is why these pages are close to each other. Inside pressure is down, is low, and outside pressure is high. Higher pressure is lying towards moving towards the downside, decrease side. Therefore these pages are going to close to each other.